Elevate your entertainment with the VIZIO MicMe 2.1 Karaoke Soundbar. Transform your living room into a karaoke stage or a cinematic sound haven with the VIZIO MicMe 2.1 Karaoke Soundbar. With Dolby Atmos and DTS-X, experience theater-quality audio while its two wireless microphones and subwoofer turn family nights into unforgettable performances. Feel the power of 2.1-channel sound and the immersive bass of the wireless subwoofer. The included HDMI cable ensures seamless TV connections, while Bluetooth allows effortless streaming. Complete your karaoke vibe with LED mic lights and 6 customizable voice enhancements via the VIZIO mobile app. Users rave about the sleek design, vibrant sound quality, and effortless setup. The easy-to-use app ensures full control, making it a crowd pleaser for karaoke enthusiasts and movie lovers alike. With 4.4 stars, it's no surprise the soundbar stands out in home audio. Launch your favorite karaoke or music app from your TV or mobile, grab a mic, and sing your heart out. With apps like Apple Music, Smule, or YouTube, the MicMe soundbar provides endless possibilities for music and entertainment. Bring premium sound and karaoke excitement to your home theater setup. Ready to turn up the volume on your lifestyle? Don't wait, explore all the details and make it yours. Head to the link in the description now and upgrade your entertainment game like never before.